and welcome to IffI News. We bring to you all the latest happenings and celebrities visiting at the film fest. But first, let's have a look at the day's headlines. Chota Cinema Awards presented. Amateur filmmakers make best use of the section. IffI ends with the movie The Lady. Critics say standard of movies in IffI is increasing every year. Participants criticize arrangements at IffI, feel that Goa government is not keen on continuing with the festival. Visiting delegates demand more Goan culture in IffI, suggest a platform for local flavor. And Sonia Sirsat's performance and A26 ban at Madgaon. First, we bring to you top happenings from this year's IffI. Chota Cinema Awards were presented on Friday evening at IffI venue. Chota Cinema Centre is a platform for amateur filmmakers. Awards were declared under varied categories of 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes and for about 30 minutes. Chairperson of Chota Cinema Janardhan Bandari, ESG CEO Manoj Srivastav and others were present. Our field coordinator Dipti Nagvenkar and video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar bring to you the award presentation ceremony.
We tried various things. The first one was to create a need for cinema, to create the habit of viewing films. So we created something called Goa Cinefil, the film club. We created short film center where films could be produced and they could compete. We created a film finance scheme to fund filmmakers. We also created a single window clearance system so that outside filmmakers could come to Goa and shoot. I'm so happy to see the enthusiasm and passion of these people. They keep coming back again and again and organize it. And I'm sure slowly we are able to create a crop of filmmakers in Goa.
स्पेशली हांवें एनिमेशन प्रोफेशन ह्या खातीर चूज केलां कारण चल एक तर म्हाका एनिमेशन्स खूब आवडटात, ल्हानपणाच्यान खूब आवडटात आनी एनिमेशनान तुमी एक गोश्ट तुमी करपाक शकतात ती म्हणजे सिरियस प्रॉब्लेम्स थ्रू ह्युमर तुमी डिस्कस करपाक शकतात. भुरग्यांक एनिमेशनांतले फक्त ह्युमर फॅक्टर जो आसा तो तांकां खूब लायक जाता.
सो तुका कितें डिफिकल्टीज आयल्यो फायनान्शियली हे फिल्म करपाक?
फायनान्शियली डेफिनेटली डिफिकल्टीज खूब आशिल्ल्यो पूण हांवें ते 3 वर्सां पयलींच प्रिप्लॅन केल्लें की 2 वर्सां नंतर हांव हे फिल्म करतलो. सो ते 3 वर्सांच्यान गॅदरींग फायनान्सीस आनी सेवींग जस्ट फॉर द फिल्म हो प्रोसेस 3 वर्सां चालू आशिल्लो.
फ्युचर प्लॅन्स आनी कितें आसा तुजे?
फ्युचर प्लॅन डेफिनेटली एनिमेशनान तर आसलो हांव आनी फ्युचर प्लॅन्स म्हणल्यार फिचर्स आमी ट्राय आवट करता सद्या. सो स्टोरी प्रेजेंटेशन्स आनी नरेशन्स आनी बिडिंग्स चालू आसा प्रोजेक्टाची. आतां कदाचित डिसेंबरान वयतकीर डिसेंबर ते मार्च हेजे भितर फायनल जातलें की खंयचें आमकां चूज करपाक जाय तें.
शॉर्ट फिल्मा बद्दल थोडेशें सांग आमकां.
जाग हो एक असो प्रोजेक्ट आशिल्लो इन वीच देर वॉज अ इम्पॉसिबल कंडिशन की 4 जाण एका घरान फसतात आनी they can't go out of the house but they don't know this आनी तांकां एक 10 दीस ते एकाच घरां भितर उरतात आनी ते खुबश्यो अश्यो गोश्टी करतात ज्यो तांकां करपा जायना आशिल्ल्यो एक्चुली. वन ऑफ देम कॉल्स इज फादर आणि दे डोंट नो, आणि 10 दिवसानंतर ते उठतात आणि दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दीस, दे सी दीस एज अ ड्रीम. सो दीस वॉज अ बेजीक स्टोरी, अँड वाय दीस हॅपन्स टू दॅम वॉज द क्लायमॅक्स ऑफ द स्टोरी.
कित्या खातीर चिंतलें की शॉर्ट फिल्म करया आनी शॉर्ट फिल्म हांगासर घालया? हांगासरल्यान तुजें एक्सपेक्टेशन कितें आसा?
IffI was IffI एक शॉर्ट फिल्म, बरें शॉर्ट फिल्म स्क्रीन जावप वॉज माय ड्रीम फ्रॉम थ्रू आउट आय डीड माय इंजिनियरींग, बिकॉज हांव हांगा पळयतालो IffI, आनी इट इज गूड एटमॉस्फियर, अ गूड चान्स फॉर बिगिनर्स.
By screening films like The Lady, the standard of 42nd edition of IffI has attained greater heights. The organizers have also tried to please delegates by providing additional facilities. These remarks have come from visiting journalists and delegates. Our reporter Basri Desai and video journalist Omkar Falari brings to you the reactions.
बार मुझे फिल्में बहुत अच्छी लगी, और फिल्मों के साथ साथ में कुछ फिल्में तो ऐसी हो गई कि देख ली हमने कि जिनको हम देखने तरसते थे वास्तव में. और ख़ास करके जो फिल्म आज क्लोजिंग दिखाई जा रही है, जो प्रेस के लिए परसों शो हुआ था द लेडी का, मैं तो बड़ा होपफुल हुआ उस फिल्म को देख के कि इस फेस्टिवल की फिल्म पहली मर्तबा फिल्म फेस्टिवल के इतिहास में सीधी ऑस्कर में जाएगी, और 5-7 पुरस्कार उसको मिलना ही चाहिए.
ह्या वर्षी त्यांनी आलेल्या पाहुण्यांना आणि डेलिगेट्सना बसण्यासाठी जो शामियाना उभारला तो खूप छान आहे. फेस्टिवल कॅटलॉग बॅगमध्ये टी शर्ट आणि कॅडबरीज वगैरे दिले, ती खूप चांगली गोष्ट, म्हणजे आवडलं.
इस साल के IffI के बारे में मेरा इम्प्रेशन ये है कि बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. कमियां देखिए, अगर हम घर में भी शादी ब्याह या कुछ करते हैं तो कमियां हो जाती है, तो अगर कुछ कमियां हैं तो उसको नज़रअंदाज कर देना चाहिए, और अगली बार में हो सकता है वो पूरे हो जाए. हर आदमी को संतुष्ट करना बहुत मुश्किल है. किसी भी चीज़ को हम करते हैं तो हर आदमी नहीं संतुष्ट हो सकता है.
IffI का जो डेकोरेशन है बहुत अच्छी तरह से हुआ, और उसकी फिल्में जो हैं बहुत स्टैंडर्ड की थी. आज फिर मैं वो लेडी पिक्चर देखने जा रहा हूँ, शायद वो भी अच्छी होगी.
Film critic Karan Samarth feels that looking at the management of IffI this year, it looks like Goa government is not keen on continuing with the festival. Our reporter Basri Desai and video journalist Omkar Falari reports.
This 42nd International Film Festival is totally into a bad shape. First point, it is, I mean, as far as the other IffIs are concerned, it was totally a mismanaged thing altogether. These so-called foreign film stars were not given proper representation at all. Though the fact that, okay, selection of movies were okay, but as compared to the previous IffIs, the selection of movies was not up to the expectations. As far as the stalls are also concerned around the place, though the fact that IffI is held from the 35th till the 42nd in Goa, at least there should be one stall which caters to Goan food. There could have been stalls which would actually show the Goan culture or anything associated with the Indian culture also. Stalls which caters to a lot of handicraft things or something like that. Would actually make a mark on the Goan as well as the country as a whole. The venue, which has been from Margaon, it started off in Margaon and later on to Panjim. It's quite a wherein there are no proper transport which is there for a person traveling from Margaon to Panjim or back again. If a person wants to see a movie in Margaon, it shouldn't be at such a difference, like 30 kilometers from here there is one venue, and then afterwards, I mean, it's not at all justified.
लेकिन मुझे एक शिकायत भी इसमें बहुत है कि फिल्में बहुत है, लेकिन कुछ कचरा फिल्में भी आई हैं जो ज़बरदस्ती ठूसी गई हैं.